Have you ever done something, anything, a chore or a task at work that doesn't really interest you? You go through the motions, but there's really no enthusiasm. You simply just want to get through the tasks. I understand that. Your body language and your facial expressions show everyone your displeasure. And when they look at you, they can tell straight away that you're not really enjoying yourself. Well, the same is true for your photography. If you're capturing a scene or a subject that doesn't interest you, this will show in your work. If you are unimpressed by your scene or subject, this is going to show in your photographs. One time, a big client, called and asked me to photograph the installation of the solar panels that were being installed on the rooftop of this house. Well, the fun for me was being lifted up in this crane, so then I could overlook the house to capture the photos the way the client wanted them. Well, when the crane stopped, the fun was over, and I was completely bored. I was entirely disinterested in solar panels being attached to the top of this house. Well, needless to say, this reflected in my photographs, and the client wasn't overly impressed with the photos. What I should have done is decline the job or recommended someone who would be interested. So learn from my mistake. Photograph what interests and impresses you, no matter how tempting a paycheck may be. If you're interested and impressed by what you're photographing, then you will impress others. And you want your clients impressed. You really do. Always, you want them impressed. What's more is you want to be proud and pleased of the work that you produce.